Hello, today I'm going to share with you a story from Angel Food for Boys and Girls by Father Gerald Brennan. I want to share with you my favorite story, A Box of Hail Marys. A little old lady climbed up the steps of heaven. She was a tired old lady because she had spent 78 years on earth and had worked hard. She had raised a family and had suffered much. Yes, she was a tired old lady, because she had just finished a long journey. The old lady rang the bell, and slowly the gates of heaven opened, and an angel came to meet her. "We have been looking for you," smiled the angel. "Come in and be happy forever." The woman passed through the gates of heaven and stopped to look. And was she surprised? She had never seen anything like heaven. Everything was so beautiful, and everyone was so happy. Many times the old lady had thought about heaven and wondered what it would be like. Now she knew. Now she was in heaven. She could hardly believe it. The old lady walked a short distance, and then she stopped to ask the angel some questions. "Why are all the angels carrying packages? Where are they going?" The angel smiled. "You've come to heaven on Our Lady's birthday," he answered, "and the angels are bringing gifts to Mary." "Oh, I can't stay," said the woman, as she turned to leave. "My clothes aren't very good, and I have no present for Mary." The angel begged her to stay, but the woman shook her head. Just then, a very beautiful woman came toward them. Yes, the beautiful woman was Mary. The Blessed Virgin was very kind to the old lady. Of course, the little old lady wished Mary a happy birthday. She told Mary that she was sorry she didn't have better clothes. If she had known it was Mary's birthday, she would certainly have brought a gift. "Oh, but you did bring a gift," said the Blessed Virgin Mary. "Your gift came to heaven before you arrived." The woman was puzzled. She didn't understand Mary's words. The woman didn't know anything about a gift, but she was sure she had heard Mary say a gift had arrived. After some time, the angel gave the woman a beautiful robe. She put on the robe, and I don't have to tell you that that little old lady was happy. Yes, she was very happy. But what do you think happened then? The angel led the little old lady to Mary's throne, and Mary placed a crown of gold on the lady's head, a crown that held diamonds and precious stones. And that isn't all. Mary gave the little old lady a seat of honor close to her throne. The old lady enjoyed the music, and she liked the singing by the angel choirs. She was anxious, however, to see Mary's gifts. Oh, there were so many packages, so many birthday gifts. Why, there was a present from everyone in heaven. Now, Mary didn't try to open all the presents right away, but there was one gift that Mary did open. It was a golden box that had been carried by 4 angels and placed at Mary's feet. No one knew what was in the box, and all the angels wondered. I suppose you too are wondering, what is in the box? When the Blessed Virgin opened the box, she smiled. Then she closed the box, and she smiled again. Mary knew that all of her friends in heaven were wondering, what's in the box? So she raised her hand, and the music stopped. For a moment, there was silence in heaven. Then Mary began to speak. "A little old lady," said Mary, "has just come into heaven. This woman has brought a most beautiful gift, a box of Hail Marys. Every morning and night for 70 years, This woman has said 3 Hail Marys, and all the Hail Marys are in this box. While on earth, this woman proved that she loved me. Now she has a place of honor in heaven." The little old lady was certainly pleased with her first day in heaven. Yes, Mary's words were true. The woman loved Mary on earth. Now she would be close to Mary forever. I wish that you boys and girls would take that little old lady's story and make it your story too. You too should love the Blessed Virgin Mary, and you should pray to Mary every day. Remember, Mary is your mother, and every child should love his mother. You should not tell Mary that you love her, but you should show Mary that you love her. Show Mary that you love her by keeping away from sin, because Mary hates sin. Show Mary that you love her by praying to her every single day. Let me make a suggestion. Why don't you do what the little old lady did? Say 3 Hail Marys to the Blessed Virgin every morning and night. I know several people who do that, and they ask Mary to watch over them. They ask Mary to keep them from sin. They ask her to help save their souls. It shouldn't take much time to say 3 Hail Marys, but those 3 Hail Marys will tell the Blessed Virgin Mary that you love her. Those 3 Hail Marys may help you get into heaven. You know, Mary takes care of her friends. If you say those 3 Hail Marys every morning and night, Mary will take care of you too. Don't wait until tomorrow. Start today and say those 3 Hail Marys every day. You may not go to heaven on Mary's birthday, but when you do go, I hope Mary will be as anxious to see you as she was to see the little old lady. Mary will be waiting for you in heaven if you send ahead a box of Hail Marys.